What's up guys, you welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make brown onions for biryani rice, chicken biryani. So stick around, let's see how it goes. Yeah, welcome to my channel African Jojo. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. Leave me a comment down, let me know what you think about this video.
Onions. How to grate onions very small without using your hands to cut. To take a lot of time cutting. I just use this one. It's very good. Yeah, it's very good. It helps me all the time when I'm going to cut onions, to prevent from crying all the time. You know how you cut the onions and you start crying. So yeah, I use this one. So I'm going to fry these onions for look at that. Look what I have done, guys. What has happened? Have you seen that? Oh my god, this is double work now. What have I done? The cleaning is mine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I can't believe this. I'm doing this. Look all the oil that has just gone. I have reused the oil because this is onion. Just yeah. This spoon. I've given myself another task to clean, but it's okay. So these onions, I'm going to use it for making biryani, but I'm not going to show you the preparations of biryani because I'm not the one that's going to make biryani. Biryani for Indians, rice. I'm going to make chicken biryani today. biryani, we put these ones, parsley. We put parsley and mint. This is mint. We call it nana in Arabic. Only want the leaves. As you can see, I only want the leaves. I don't need these stems. I only remove the leaves. Parsley and mint. Parsley and mint, or nana in Arabic. Nana. Just have to chop them finally. made black instead of brown color. Guys, I've made black color instead of brown. But it's okay. That is it. I love you guys. Keep posted. Make sure to like, subscribe. African Jojo to the world. Yeah, African Jojo in Qatar. Make sure to share, subscribe, and like. Leave me a comment. What do you think about my onions? Am I a good chef? What do you think about my onions? So there, and my parsley and yeah, here. So this is our biryani, guys. The onions I was cutting and the parsley and mint, nana. So this is how it looks like. Wow, you see that, guys? Can you see that? Ooh. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Come and we enjoy the rice biryani, chicken biryani. This is chicken biryani. So the chicken is inside, it's down. Yeah, those are the eggs. For eggs, just boil them and put them up. So I didn't show you the process because I was not the one making the food. So that's how it looks like. Yeah, let's see how the taste is as we eat together. Yeah, let's eat together. So guys, this is our biryani. Yeah, sorry, that is our biryani. That's the chicken. So I'm going to eat right now. This is how it looks like. So guys, come we eat together, come we enjoy the food together. Don't say that I didn't call you. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Leave me a comment down. What do you think about this video? Let me know.